In the rapidly evolving landscape of data science and analytics, the ability to effectively communicate insights from data has become increasingly important. Data visualization serves as the bridge for us between raw data and actionable insights, transforming abstract numbers into visual narratives that are accessible to both technical and non-technical audiences. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Streamlit, a powerful open source Python library that enables you to quickly create and deploy interactive web applications for both data visualization and data exploration. Streamlit is an open source Python library designed to simplify the process of creating interactive and aesthetically pleasing web applications for both data analysis and presentation. Its intuitive API allows developers and analysts to build complex data-driven apps with minimal code that focus on the data and its story rather than the intricacies of web development. Prior to installing Streamlit, you'll want to make sure that you have a current version of Python installed on your computer. To do that, you can simply go to terminal or command prompt and run the command python --version. From there, Streamlit can be installed from your terminal or command prompt using the Python package manager command pip install Streamlit. This command will download and install Streamlit along with its various dependencies. Once the installation is complete, you can run the command streamlit hello to verify that everything is working properly. This will launch a pre-built Streamlit app within your web browser that showcases some of Streamlit's capabilities and its interactive features. To create your first Streamlit app, let's start by creating a new Python file. You can name this file anything you want, such as my first app. It's important to note that since Streamlit apps run within your web browser, you can't actually use the Jupyter Notebook IDE to execute Streamlit code statements. This is because Jupyter Notebook also runs within your web browser and is therefore unable to create an instance of the web server required to run Streamlit. So instead, you'll want to write your Streamlit code in a standard Python file using another IDE that's non-web based or a text editor. For example, I'm going to use Sublime Text. As with any other external Python library, you'll want to start by first importing Streamlit. So we'll say import Streamlit as st. From there, we can use the Streamlit methods .header and .write to create a basic app and display some text. So I'll say st.header, and I'll just go ahead and give it the text, welcome to Streamlit, and then we'll say st.write, and we'll say Streamlit makes data viz interactive and easy. After writing the above code statements, let's go ahead and save our script, and we're going to want to open up a new instance of the terminal or command prompt on your computer. From there, we want to go ahead and navigate to the directory containing our script, which in my case is on my desktop. And then we want to type in the following command: Streamlit, run, and the name of your file. This command will start a Streamlit web server instance from your terminal. Your default web browser should open and automatically display your app. If it doesn't, you can manually navigate to the URL shown in the terminal. Since the Streamlit web server runs directly from your terminal or command prompt and is displayed in your web browser, it's important that you do not close that terminal or command prompt instance until you want to shut down your Streamlit app. So that covers the basics of getting started with Streamlit. In our next video in this series, we'll learn how to use basic elements in Streamlit to display text, data, and customize our site layouts. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and click that bell so you don't miss out on any future videos.